got A+, baby, so you take my shit. Cause I am little, right? I won't call you out. Teachers saying you get credit. Why would you stop now? You are so desperate, craving that spotlight. Shine it on the ones who do the shit, cause it's their life. But I know there people around. You say just do what it takes to make it all the way. You're a copycat. You take it then you leave it, honey, just like that. Just like that. You're falling flat. You find someone like me to bring you up right back. Up right back. Obsessed with power. You want it for yourself, feeding the misogyny, but still you call yourself a feminista. If that were really true, you wouldn't feel as if I were a current threat to you. But I know there are people around. You say just do what it takes to make it all the way. You're a copycat. You take it then you leave it, honey, just like that. Just like that. You're falling flat. You find someone like me to bring you up right back. Up right back. Find someone else to leech on, lady. My blood's for me, not for your babies. College is dating all your savings. My blood's for me, so no more taking.
Anything you could do, I could do better. In prison for stealing, I'll write you a letter. Courageous and clever, creative director. I raised the bar higher, sir, I broke the record. I'm hot as pepper, summertime and leather. Scuffed up my boots, boy, I'll stump you in Skechers. They wanna build like their first name is Hector. Back against wall, bitch, I am a projector. From the projects, don't check on my ex. Like unibrows, they all been broken necks. Wish you the best, won't show you my next move, so I guess you'll be upset. Don't cry, no, baby, you'll find your
Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs